Hello, this is Paul Mahoney from MarineMax New York. We're here today on the Galeon 510 Sky. This boat here now we're on is a 2024 model. It has Volvo Penta D11s, 670 horsepower for power. As you come on the boat, it's got a very large extended swim platform with the Kenyon electric grill on the back. The 510 Sky also has a tender garage available, and this is the beach mode fold down terrace. The 51 Sky also has a hydraulic swim platform. Coming up the side into the cockpit of the boat, we have a nice large table here for entertaining for 4 or 5 people in the back, and this whole table will rotate all the way around facing aft. This is the table now, and the cockpit seating area in the back has this been turned around completely facing aft of the boat. Very unique and a very different option. Cockpit on the port and starboard sides, there's fold down terraces that go completely down, that extend the amount of room in the back of this cockpit tremendously. Walking into the salon of the boat, we have a galley aft with a refrigerator below, ample storage, drawers, high and low, storage, and more storage over here. We have a Samsung convection oven with a Kenyon 4-burner stove, and the sink is over here. Again, on both port and starboard sides, for the beach mode, these windows go all the way back, so it opens up the whole back of the boat. You have plenty of cross ventilation coming in, and this seat will rotate back. So if you want a seat looking out this way, you can. Moving forward, we have a TV that comes out from the bottom, and then here on the port side, a huge dining table with seating for probably 6 to 8 people, and then a small sofa over here, also for 2, and then the lower station, which has twin Raymarine screens on it, radar, GPS, autopilot, and plotter. This boat has bow and stern thrusters also. Moving forward, we have the VIP stateroom with sunlight coming from above, 2 nice windows on either side. We have storage below, storage above on both starboard and port side. On this side, we have a full hanging locker and below area here for your shoes. We have a TV on the wall here. Also above in this VIP stateroom, we have a sunlight that comes in and out with a sunroof, both sides. You can get ample light in this, also in this VIP. And then over here would be the shared day head. So it would be the head for the VIP and the guest stateroom. So in the guest and VIP stateroom, we have a stall shower over here, full sink, and a vacuum flush head. This is the port side guest stateroom with high-low bunk beds. Beautiful window for plenty of sunlight coming in during the day, natural light. And over here is another full hanging locker with 2 more drawers for clothing or shoes, whatever you want to use. So now we're entering the full beam master stateroom of the 510 Sky. Got great walk around area on both sides, plenty of headroom, storage on this side, more storage here. A very large full hanging locker, Samsung TV, and a Splendor washer dryer combination. Over here we have a settee, small area with a makeup mirror and anything you need to put in here, jewelry, with the mirror over this side, and 2 very large windows for natural light on both sides of the boat. And this is the master stateroom head with a full stall shower, nice sink, vacuum flush head, and storage above on both sides. Also storage under the sink. Okay, going up to the flybridge of the 510 Sky. Here we are on the fly of the 510 Sky, where we have nice wraparound seating with a full table, captain's chair. We have seating for 2 over here, or a sunbed for 1. And another sunbed over here if you'd like to lay down. Here's the helm. We have Ray Marine features over here. We have the bow and stern thruster and shifters on this right side. Radar rush. The kind of cool feature on this boat is when you're done for the day, there's a button that you hit here that closes the entire Skydeck. Goes all the way up front, so the entire bridge is closed. Coming to the bow of the boat, we have seating all the way across the front with backrests that hide underneath there for storage. We also have seating on both sides. There's a table that will go down in the middle, and there's also two backrests on either side of this that will also be put right in the storage area on both sides. We have our stainless steel anchor with windlass and spotlight. Thank you for watching this video. If you're interested in this boat, you can call MarineMax Huntington at 631-424-2710.